Transferring USDT between wallets is a common task in the cryptocurrency world. This guide will help you move your USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance. We'll be focusing on making the process clear and simple, especially for those who are new to this. It's crucial to follow each step carefully to avoid any missteps with your funds. Let's get started. This guide will assume you already hold USDT in your SafePal wallet and have an active Binance account. If you don't, you'll need to set those up before we begin. Ready? Let's move your USDT. First, log into your Binance account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and ensure your internet connection is stable for a smooth experience. Security is paramount, so always double-check you're on the official Binance website. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar and verify the URL starts with. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to your wallet. This is where you can manage all your cryptocurrencies and perform various transactions. Look for the deposit button. This is where you'll be receiving your USDT. It's usually prominently displayed on the wallet page. Clicking deposit will present you with a list of cryptocurrencies. You can scroll through this list to find the one you need. Find and select USDT from this list. USDT is a popular stablecoin, so it should be easy to locate. Binance supports multiple networks for USDT deposits, commonly BEP20, Binance Smart Chain, and ERC20, Ethereum. Each network has its own advantages. It's crucial to choose the same network that your SafePal wallet uses for USDT. This ensures that your funds are transferred correctly. Selecting the wrong network can result in the loss of your funds. Always double-check your network selection before proceeding. With the correct network chosen on Binance, you'll be presented with a deposit address. This address is crucial for the transfer process, so make sure you are on the right network to avoid any complications. This address is unique to your Binance account and the chosen network. It ensures that the funds you transfer will be correctly credited to your account. Copy this address as you'll need it for the next step. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any errors. Now, unlock your SafePal wallet. Ensure that your wallet is up-to-date and properly synced. Always ensure you are using the official SafePal app and that your device is secure. Regularly check for updates and security patches. Inside your SafePal wallet, navigate to your USDT balance. This is where you will initiate the transfer. You'll see options to send and receive USDT. Select the send option to proceed with the transfer. Select send and then carefully paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Make sure the address is correct. Double-check the address to ensure accuracy. Even a small mistake can result in sending your USDT to the wrong place. Confirm all details before proceeding. Before confirming the transaction, SafePal will display the network fee associated with the transfer. This fee is essential as it ensures that your transaction is processed efficiently on the blockchain network. This fee goes to the miners who process the transaction on the blockchain, not to SafePal or Binance. Miners play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity and security of the blockchain by verifying and adding transactions to the ledger. Once you've reviewed and confirmed all the details, you can finalize the USDT transfer. Double-checking the recipient address and the amount is always a good practice to avoid any mistakes. SafePal will provide you with a transaction ID. This unique identifier is crucial for tracking your transaction. This ID can be used to track the progress of your transfer on a blockchain explorer specific to the network you used, for example, BSCScan for BEP20. Blockchain explorers offer transparency and allow you to see the status and history of your transaction. The transfer time varies depending on network congestion, but typically takes between a few minutes to an hour. During peak times it might take a bit longer, so patience is key. Once the transfer is complete, your USDT will be available in your Binance account. You can then use it for trading, staking, or any other activities supported by Binance. Congratulations, you've successfully transferred your USDT from SafePal to Binance. This is a significant step in managing your digital assets efficiently. Remember, this is just a basic guide. There are many more features and options available for advanced users. For more detailed information on cryptocurrency transactions, security best practices, and other helpful tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Stay informed and stay secure in the world of crypto.